Hey guys, in this video we are breaking down SEO in the simplest way possible. If you have ever wondered why do some websites show on top of Google and mine doesn't, don't worry. By the end of this video you will have a clear clarity on what SEO is and why it matters for your business. Let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Now I know that sounds complicated, but trust me, it's very simple. Think of Google as a library, millions of books in that library. When you ask the librarian for something, he gives you the best and the most trusted one, right? Google does the same thing. When someone searches something, Google shows the most relevant and trusted website on top. SEO is simply making your website their trusted website. So Google puts you on top. That's it. That's SEO. Now, why does every business need SEO? Let me give you 3 simple reasons. Number 1. Free traffic. When you run ads, you pay for every click. But with SEO, people find you on Google completely for free. No ads, no money, just free visitors every single day. Number 2. People trust top result. Think about yourself. When you search on Google, you click on the first or the second because we all feel if Google puts it on top, it must be good. So when your website ranks on top, people trust your website automatically. Number 3. SEO works 24/7. Your shop closes at night, but SEO never. With SEO, even at 2 AM, if someone searches for your services, they can find you, visit your site and contact you. SEO works even when you are sleeping. Okay guys, quick recap. SEO is equals to getting your website on top of Google for free. Every business needs it because free traffic builds trust, works 24/7. Doesn't matter if you have a small business, a brand, a vlog or an online store. SEO is not optional, it's a must. That's it for this video. Now you know what SEO is and why it actually matters for your business. In the next one, we will go deeper and share some practical tips which you can use for your business to improve your SEO step by step. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.